Hi, Crafty Angel. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Design here on YouTube, and I'm here with the word of the day was create with Becca. This is video 17. The word of the day is from today, and it is rose. So let's see what I can do for a rose. Let's remove this. Now, what I want to do is I have a sticker of a rose with a butterfly. And then I have yellow roses with a bigger butterfly, but I don't want to use these. So I'm going to try to find. Okay, what I'm going to do is take this paper, okay, and let's see, can I still make the border? So I lined it up, as y'all can see. Now, there's 3 sides that's not lined. So what I'm going to do is just take everything and glue it all the way around. And reline this. Whoops. I almost stuck myself there. I'm going to do this. I'm going to use one of those roses from the thing I just showed you. I'm going to save all of this here because I still have some of the border left. So I can use that in other projects. Okay. So, now, since this is all set, I'm going to take the red rose here that says best wishes with the butterfly. I'm going to put some glue on the back. And this will be a journaling card. I'm going to put it right here. And it's going to be a journaling card for a journal that I'm working on. So, that is it for this project. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. And also, please be blessed, be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.